The parent-teacher meeting is at 10 a.m. I do not have any classes on Sunday. This year, it started to snow in November. Yasmin's birthday is on December 31st. The stars twinkle brightly at night. I'll meet you on Thursday. The principal is not present at the moment. My mother will come back in minutes. Dimple will visit her grandmother in March. In 1857, the Sepoy Mutiny took place. Eva's uncle passed away on Monday. In the winter, we prefer staying indoors. On Sunday, they'll talk about the pyramids on the National Geographic Channel. My uncle will arrive at dinner time. Eva had learned to speak French in 6 weeks. My grandparents got married on December 31st, 1957. I will meet you on Sunday. My vacation ends on Tuesday. Migratory birds fly to warmer places in the winter. In the summer you should keep water bowls for birds.